The preparing your Spectrum Experience message means your Spectrum cable box is failing to load its operating system, settings, and services. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug the box for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary bugs and resolves the issue. While it restarts, check all cable connections, ensuring the coaxial cable and HDMI cable are securely connected to both the box and your TV. A weak signal or faulty connection can prevent proper initialization. If the issue persists, move on to the next troubleshooting step. If power cycling and checking connections didn't work, try a factory reset by holding the reset button on the back of the box for 10 seconds. Note that this will erase any personal settings. Also, use the My Spectrum app on your smartphone to run diagnostics. The app can identify error codes such as ERR1001 for signal loss and guide you toward specific solutions. If the problem continues, there may be a service issue or a hardware fault. Contact Spectrum support or even replace the box.